Today's hot topic is getting rich as a truck driver. Is it a thing? Now, where I grew up, people talked about truck drivers like they were rich. They always had a lot of money, at least it seemed like they did, and they always lived in nice houses, they had nice cars. Everything always seemed like they had a lot of it. Well, I don't know if it was because I was a kid or because everything always seemed bigger when you're a kid or better when you're a kid. But now that I'm an adult, I can tell you I'm a truck driver now, and I'm not getting rich. Is it a thing? Can you get rich as a truck driver? Put it in the comment section. Is it possible? Now, I know a couple of guys out here that have become pretty wealthy off of trucking, but they didn't get wealthy in trucking. They made money in trucking and they put it other places where they got their wealth. So there's a thought. Thank you for watching. And always remember, truckers are people too. So be nice to us.